Welcome back to the channel. I swear I don't have boobies. I do, but they're not usually this big. I got some big news to share with you guys today. Let's go and roll that intro and we'll get to it. Roll. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here today. Mentioned a few weeks ago I might be introducing some things that aren't 100% motorcycle related, but maybe I could talk about them on a motorcycle and they kind of correlate. Maybe not. Well, anyway, I had a baby. Now, I say I had a baby, but my wife had a baby. We had a baby together, I guess would be the best way of kind of putting that phrase. So, it happened at the beginning of July, which is a lot earlier than we were anticipating it, that's for sure. Our due date was July 31st, and wouldn't you know and behold, we had the baby on the 10th of July, so 3 weeks early. So that's about when I sent out that cryptic text message that we had a lot going on, and between the dog thing and the baby, it's been a little bit hectic around here. About as hectic as it's going to be trying to cross this street. I hate cities, I hate construction, I hate traffic, and I need gas badly. I should have went the other way.
Thousands of tears later.
I feel like a sardine in a can of sardines. Only the other sardines weigh 4,000 pounds and can flatten me like a little bug. I think I got a clear shot. Oh, move. Yep. Oh, look at that gas station. Woohoo, quick trip. Alright, let's go and pull in here. We'll catch up in a second. Clear that way. Get me the frick out of here. Alright. Headed home now. My parents are nice enough to watch one of our kids tonight, so we only have single kid duty tonight. We might get some sleep. We might get some uninterrupted sleep. Probably not. Holy cow, this place is a disaster. That hurt. Ugh. Place is all tore up. All right. So anyway, yes, we had a baby. Baby's name was CJ, and she is adorable. Not much needs to be known about her other than she's the most angelic baby in the world. Oh, that's turned blue. But no, I just want to kind of start and preface everything with you guys. You guys are what makes this channel happen, and I've missed you guys a lot in my little hiatus. So thank you for being you guys. And hopefully now we can have some, a little bit more than the one per week here starting in September. That's when I plan to maybe throw in a twofer here or there. Starting up in August, we should have the dynamic duo starting back up on our new night. So we have a lot of things going for us. We just haven't quite got all the way there yet. About the baby, so mom and baby are doing great. Baby's now 3 weeks old as of today. That's crazy when you think of it. So today should have been the due date, July 31st. Should have been born today. And she's already been with us for 3 weeks. It's really kind of crazy if you think about that. Especially when you see how big she got. It's like, man, if she would have got that big inside, whew, they would have had to cut her out anyway. Anyway, I kind of said in a few videos ago as far as what it's going to look like as far as changes with the channel here, and sure, there's going to be some changes. You might see some more in the garagey type videos, things on that nature. But at the same time, I'm really kind of reevaluating my content as a vlogger perspective. Because, man, I'll tell you what, guys, there's just a ton of us out there. And we all do really good jobs. That's what makes it really hard to keep up with everyone's content, is because there is so many good people. I've met so many good friends because of this. It's just hard to keep up. And then when I look at my content compared to y'all's content as well, you know, I kind of feel like sometimes I'm just another one of the bunch. There's a few people who, you know, say I go out and get it, or I deserve more and everything like that, which, hey, I'm glad you guys think that. I figured my time will come when it comes. I know I put out that video a few weeks ago about my goal is to be monetized and everything, but, you know, now that I've had the baby, again, this is all dating back to the baby, now that I've had the baby, I kind of, you know, it's not a big a goal right now. Now, you know, if I grow organically and, you know, just put out my videos, that's great. I'm not going to do too much beyond that as far as self-promotion goes right now. I just don't have the time or energy to do it. Noticed a drop off in my editing since the baby was born, because it wasn't really because there's a new baby. It's because my wife's home. Now let me explain that though. So most of the time when I edit my videos, up until the baby was born, it was me and my son, and my wife would usually either work till 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock at night. So while he's watching his nursery rhymes, what have you, on TV, that was my opportunity to actually get a lot of editing done. And now that my wife is home, she's not making me do things, but I'm getting caught up on a ton of family time that I've missed over the last 7-8 months since she's went to this schedule. And it's been great. But at the same time, it's like, oh, my stash of videos is getting less and less and less. I don't know how much longer I can hold off on not finishing a video right now. So again, the editing is going to take longer. Everything just takes longer. That might mean I have to stay up a little bit later than I'm used to doing. That might mean I have to, you're annoying. I mean, that might mean, you know, picking and choosing when I'm able to ride. I might have to do more of my rides as motor vlogs so I can keep up with content. You know, there's a lot of things that kind of go into that. Would I change any of it for the world? Hell no, I wouldn't. I mean, I was a little apprehensive about having the second kid, but, you know, now that she's here, there's no way I would change anything about it. No way, no way. Now, as far as myself and the channel goes, I kind of want to eventually get away from just this kind of a moto vlog where I'm riding a bike, which I know that's what a moto vlog is. You ride a bike. I think I want to become kind of closer to what kind of Superman Kev is, and not label myself as a moto vlogger anymore. I want to label myself as a motorcycle content creator. Now, the reason I want to do it that way is I have visions. I've had a lot of downtime, so I've had a lot of time to really think about how I want the episodes going forward to be perceived. Now, in a given month, you might have, 3 out of the 4 weeks could look exactly like you're seeing here today. But at least one episode a month. That's what I set for my goal, is for September, October, November, December. So the last quarter of the year, or third of the year, I want to at least have one video per month that's done in a different fashion. What I'm talking about is look at stuff that WebASD does, Briscoe does, Prairie Boy does. They do things that are outside the standard motor vlogger, and that's what I want to be able to do. I have a lot of ideas in my head, and what I'm going to start doing is storyboarding things before I even go out and ride, because again, with less time, I need to be able to get what I need shot done so I can get back home. So I already have a few ideas in mind for some upcoming videos. I hope you guys will enjoy them as well. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you all a brief update on my life. Let you know things are going good. I miss everybody. I'm coming back very soon, full speed. And as always, though, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. And this is an incredibly hot stoplight. Frickin' A! Good lord. Chopper Fit out. See you guys.